commonly used in plastic bottles is still raging. New research is confirming that Bisphenol-A can put people at higher risk for some very serious diseases. But the plastic industry disagrees.
The controversy over certain plastic bottles just thickened. It started with animal studies showing concern that Bisphenol-A, a chemical used in some No. 7 bottles and as a lining in some cans, could cause hormonal changes in children, enough for many moms to stop using baby bottles that contain it.
Now that I have bottles that are BPA free, I feel a lot better.
Obviously, everyone wants what's best for the child.
But now the first study of BPA in humans seems to show possible different health effects in adults, too.
We found that the quarter of the population with the highest bisphenol levels were roughly at twice the risk of both heart disease and diabetes.
And those people had levels of BPA in their urine well below what the government considers unsafe. Researchers say more than 90% of us carry traces of BPA in our bodies, and that most of that exposure comes from food containers. The plastics industry, though, says this one new study is far from a conclusive link between BPA and disease.
That type of a study cannot establish a cause and effect relationship.
The FDA, that regulates what plastic bottles are made of, agrees.
We still believe that BPA should be considered safe.
This has been such a debate, not only among scientists, but also all over blogs and websites for mothers, and it has translated to the marketplace. All of the major baby bottle makers have started making a BPA-free option. But the largest liquid baby formula makers, including Enfamil and Similac, line their cans with a coating containing Bisphenol-A. The industry says it agrees with the FDA's draft assessment on BPA, which concludes there is no safety risk to consumers, and is looking for packaging options, but says there are few right now. Chicago mom Melissa Conheim had already stopped using the bottles, but had no idea her formula came in contact with BPA.
It's pretty upsetting to find out that there's chemical in the formula containers, because right now at 5 months old, formula is all my son eats.
Still two sides here. And now one more study that even the scientists who did it say demands more studies.